Well, good morning, everyone. Today's Tuesday. I guess they call it, what, Topless Tuesday? But, yeah, we don't get that anymore driving a truck. You know, when the gals go driving by and they show you the hair on their chest, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get hooked up, get ready to go. Don't know where I'm going yet. Had a fantastic ride on the bike this morning. I actually turned them shocks up from Suspension Technologies that I have on the back of the bike, and it rode fantastic. I put about 80 miles of break-in period on those shocks, and after my train wreck of a live yesterday, I turned them up and left the bike in the shop and went in the house and relaxed. I don't know where this guy parked my set, but jumped on it this morning. Fantastic. I don't have any complaints whatsoever with the Suspension Technology shocks. So I'm going to find these trailers, and I'm going to get going here in a few minutes. I'll see you in a minute. Well, we've been rolling for like an hour and a half, and seen one trike and a couple other Harleys, I think, headed south. But we'll be crossing into Iowa here in a minute. I just want to apologize again for the train wreck of a live last night. I did figure out what the problem was, and keep your eye out. I might do a pop-up live here in a couple of days. Actually, you know, I got to do it before Thursday, or maybe even Friday night. I don't know. I have a good time doing the lives because I get to interact with you all. Yeah.
Bunch of problems in there. No, when you back down in there.
I'll turn the CB down. There's an ethanol plant right here, and truck drivers go in there and load up. Farmers actually go in there and pick up the well, I don't know what they call it. I would call it a mash, I guess. And they'll mix it with the silage to feed the cows. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I like interacting with y'all, and if you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you being here. And I don't have a film crew or anything like that. This is as real as it gets. So yeah, we'll be leaving Saturday morning for Camdenton, Missouri, and going down there for the day, and then staying the night, of course, and then riding back on Sunday. And we are staying in a hotel right there in Camdenton, and I'm not sure how close it is to the Harley dealer, but the ride that we're going on is with the Badgers. Supportbikers.com. Go to that website, click on the events tab, and it's the first event that pops up. And I believe it starts at, now don't quote me on this, it might be 11 o'clock in the morning, so it'll be a good time. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day out for trucking. It's like 65 degrees right now where I'm at, northern Missouri, almost up to the state line. So we'll see you here in a minute. Yeah, they're replacing a bridge up here. Been working on it for the last couple of months. They got this crossover and it's really rough. Right here. It really throws that back trailer around a little bit. You gotta be real extra careful through there. Well, we're getting ready to cross into Nebraska. I've got about 3 more hours to go to my destination, so, and then I'll have to turn around and come back. But I sure wish I was doing it on 2 wheels, or just keep going on 2 wheels past my destination. But yeah, you got to be real careful going through them construction zones, railroad tracks, all kinds of stuff like that, especially on a bike. So, yeah, we will be leaving Saturday morning and heading to Lake of the Ozarks, Camdenton, Missouri, Osage Beach area. And if you didn't see it in the live last night, I'm planning a camp out, whatever. If you don't have a motorcycle, you just want to stop in or camp or whatever, you know, it's a public place, you know, stop in and say hi. And if you're all down in the Joplin, Baxter Springs, Pittsburgh, Kansas, Coffeyville, Kansas area, Oklahoma, we'll be camping out at the Big Brutus. I think it's Mineral Spring or Mineral Point, Kansas, something like that. Just do a Google search for Big Brutus and it'll pop right up. Planning on doing this on October 12th. Weather pending. If it's pouring rain, whatever, we're not going to do it. That's not fun. So, and Miss Linda is planning on coming with me down there. And I know for sure I've got 2 other guys, maybe 3. Going to join us. It'd just be go down there Saturday, camp out, hang out, check out the museum, Big Brutus Museum, and I don't know, maybe go to some of the small towns in that area and see what kind of food they got, restaurants, whatever. So I will try to create a event on social media. All you have to do is search Lone Cowboy Adventures and it should pop right up. And once I do create the event, I will share it on my profile. And Miss Linda and I might go down a day early, because there's another stop that I would like to take her to on the way there. That's kind of on the way, not right on the way, but it's kind of on the way. Now we're crossing the Missouri River over into Nebraska. So I hope y'all are going to have a good day, and you know, stay out of trouble. Oh, don't cross over in front of that truck, please. Oh yeah. Nah, he's all right, I guess. He was awfully brave. Grain hauler. Loaded down. Have a good day. Say hi to a stranger. Thank the veteran. And thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, please. If you made it this far. What's this guy doing? He must be loaded down pretty heavy. Alright, y'all. Have a good day. Say bye. Bye. I said goodbye.